Hi guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of my makeup declutter. If you missed part 1, I will link it down below so you guys can check it out. What you are seeing now is actually the finished product of my new makeup area, but I didn't want to give it away at the beginning. So I'm going to show you guys how I got there. I was able to fit all my lippies into those 2 little acrylic containers, which I was really shocked at. And then I'm just gonna kind of go through and find homes for everything. So I wanted to try to keep, all the brow products together, all the liners together, all the mascaras. And I thought maybe those would all fit in these little drawers here. And then for the bigger drawers, I wanted to save those for foundations and powders and of course my palettes. So yeah, just keep on watching if you guys want to see how I organized everything. And I'm not sure who I was trying to fool here, but I thought that I could fit all of my eyeshadow palettes in one of these drawers. It was like a puzzle. And then I realized, you know what? I'm just going to use 2 drawers for all my eyeshadows. So that's what I ended up doing. Okay guys, here is the finished product. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I ended up painting the little shelving unit white so it matched our decor a little bit better. And I feel like now that I know where everything is, maybe I'll use my makeup a little more, because I usually just stick with like the same products, but I want to try to venture out and use all my makeup. So now that I have it organized and I know where everything is, maybe it'll be easier for me to do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like these types of videos, let me know. I can totally do more declutter videos like this because it feels good to actually purge some of my stuff. I know it may not look like I got rid of a lot, but I actually did. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye!